Imagine a background that seamlessly transitions from one slide to the next, creating the illusion of movement and depth. This technique is surprisingly simple and it can elevate your presentations to a whole new level. Let me show you how to do it. The key is to use slide to right or slide to left transition effects. But there's a catch. To make this work smoothly, we need to think about our background design. The goal is to create backgrounds that feel like a continuation of each other. Here's how. Use the same color or gradient across all slides. If you're using a gradient, make sure the color of the gradient changes from top to bottom and not from left to right. For example, let's apply a gradient color that looks like a serene blue sky. So, first click Background in the toolbar, then click Color, choose Gradient, and create a custom gradient. So, by default, the type is linear and angle is 90 degrees. In this gradient, the color is changing from top to bottom and hence you need not change the angle. All you need is to click here and choose custom color. So here, as this is the color at the top, I will choose a dark blue color and then on the other side, a light blue color. When you click OK and done, you can see we have a gradient that looks like a blue sky. Now duplicate this slide and we will have two slides with the same background. When you apply the slide to right or slide to left animation here and check it, you may not see the background moving. For the movement of background to be visible, we need to add few elements like shapes or images that will become part of our background, and as we place them across both the slides, the movement of the background will become clearly visible. So add images. For this particular background, I will choose transparent images of clouds and place them across both the slides. Avoid placing these images right at the horizontal edges of the slides because this is where the transition happens and we don't want elements to get abruptly cut off. Now, when you check the transition, you can see the clouds create the sense of continuous movement as the slides change. You can see how beautiful it is. If you actually need elements at the horizontal edges, you need to make sure you copy that element, paste it onto the next slide, and crop it so that it perfectly aligns with the edge of the previous slide. This way, you can have a background that continuously moves across different slides, even when you place the images or shapes on the horizontal edges. Other simple ways to create a continuously moving background is to look for images that meet the criteria discussed in this video, which means the images should have a same background color, especially at the horizontal edges, and the subject of the image or any other elements within the image should not be present on the horizontal edges. The best example for that kind of images are graphs and grid lines. While using graphs or grid lines, the lines or the dots create a sense of motion as they flow across the slides. Once you have your moving background, enhance it further by animating your slide elements. Use fade in effects for titles and shapes to make them appear gracefully as the background moves. And there you have it, a dynamic, eye catching presentation that's sure to captivate your audience. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.